Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about closing sketch to models. This is an option in SolidWorks where we can close the open loop sketch to close sketch for creating the model. So here I am going to show you that. See, I have created a simple solid block and I have created a sketch on this face. See here. Now see, before selecting the sketch, we have to be in a sketcher mode. So go to Tools, Sketch Tools and close Sketch to Model. See, after selecting this, it will show an arrow which side the sketch has to be closed. So I am keeping as it is. You can see the yellow color arrow. So I am closing sketch in left side. Even if you want, we can reverse the direction to make the close sketch in the right side. Say OK. So here we can see automatically the sketch has been created. See here. So it is closed loop now. Now we can create extrude. So this is the simple trick to close the sketch loop, that is closing sketch to models. Thank you.